Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Kurt Kaiser.
And I'm Rachel Reagan. The city has identified 4 more COVID-19 related deaths today in Lubbock County. That brings the total to 156. City staffers also confirming another 243 cases today. 10 of those were sent in from other counties. This chart shows the new cases by day over the past month. The health department is warning this recent spike of 200 or more cases a day is unsustainable.
54 people told the city they've recovered from a confirmed case. Now there are more than 2,000 active cases in Lubbock County. That's up more than 500 since a week ago, including the hundreds of people who have recovered since then. Governor Abbott is sending state resources to Lubbock and Amarillo in response to the virus's surge.
Our Tori McGee with why city leaders say this will help our hospitals, which report they're struggling with staffing shortages.
Both of our hospitals mentioned that the number of staff out sick or quarantined because of COVID has increased at the same time as the number of individuals needing care.
The state is surging medical personnel, medical supplies, and PPE to Lubbock to support our hospitals. The DSHS has deployed more than 170 medical personnel to both Lubbock and Amarillo, and 100 more are set to arrive by Sunday. It's also sending 100 IV pumps, 56 ventilators, and 25 oxygen concentrators to the region. Joe Mowdy, the city's emergency management director, says the hospitals requested staffing assistance, which his office turned over to the state.
The state will coordinate with the actual facility directly as far as getting physicians. They have lists of volunteers, but they also have staff from other regions in Texas that have signed up and said, hey, we're available to travel to help.
UMC tells Fox 34 it has 422 patients as of Friday. 72 of them are COVID-19 patients. The hospital has 506 total beds. This week, UMC reported a record number of COVID-19 admissions, ICU patients, and a record number of employees out because of the virus.
Every day, we send a patient home, we put a patient right back in that bed behind them, just constantly turning over those rooms because we're maxed out.
Unless we get full cooperation from the community, 100% masking and following the guidelines for social distancing, we're not going to be able to reduce the curve.
There are currently more than 300 beds available for all medical facilities in Lubbock, according to city reports. Tori McGee, Fox 34, News at 9.